Hi, I'm Julian, your product specialist for all things connected at BRP. This tutorial will focus on the new 10.25-inch touchscreen display with BRP Connect and Apple CarPlay. We'll look at the different applets available on this new display and how to use Apple CarPlay. Let's start with the display default gauge view, which shows you riding metrics like speed, RPM, and more. You can add or customize their format by long pressing on the screen. Before we get into its features, I'll take you through the applet menu. The applet menu functions similarly to your smartphone or desktop home screens. It's where you can access all available applets. To access it, tap the applet menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. On the right side, you'll find all the applets. The left side displays essential riding metrics like your speed and RPM. Moving along. First up is the phone applet, which lets you make and receive calls. You need a smartphone and headset to pair the display via Bluetooth. Once connected, you can use a keypad to dial a number, access your contact list, or view recent calls. And by the way, if you receive a call when riding, you get a pop-up notification. You can either answer it or decline the call. Love a good road trip playlist? The Media Applet is where you can create a soundtrack for all your on-road adventures. Pair your device to the display via Bluetooth. Then you can play music through the right speakers, or if you pair your headset, your helmet. If you've got a keen eye for details, then you'll love the Statistic Applet. This feature lets you console driving stats for your current ride or for a past trip, track your distance ridden, the trip duration, along with average speed and fuel consumption. You can also reset trips whenever you please. Now onto the Vehicle Applet, which gives you an overview of ride settings like vehicle information, maintenance, and more. Tune into your favorite radio stations while you ride. The Radio Applet lets you set channel presets or choose the station and frequency. Seek and Tune features are also available if you like to scroll through different stations. Configure all display parameters and settings via the Preferences applet. You can access it when the vehicle is not in motion. In the audio section, you can configure audio output, balance, and more. In display settings, you can adjust brightness, switch between light and dark modes, and enable auto adjustment. The Bluetooth function is where you can pair your devices, so phones and helmet headsets, for both rider and passenger. Next is your Wi-Fi settings. Yes, the display can be connected to a Wi-Fi network, which allows over-the-air software updates. So next time that our team releases a software version with new features, you'll be able to update your gauge directly from home. In general settings, you'll be able to manage these software updates as well as to choose units, language, date, and time. Last but not least, the Applet Switcher and Ride Settings lets you customize your favorite applets and ride settings for easy access with the handlebar control module. Now for the big reveal, we're excited to announce that the new 10.25-inch touchscreen display is now compatible with Apple CarPlay. This new feature is bound to be a game changer for all your future rides. But what is CarPlay? For those who are not familiar with the service, it's a safer way to use your iPhone while riding. It provides directions, lets you make calls, send or receive messages, and tune into music from your vehicle built-in display. You can access all your CarPlay-compatible apps via the Spyder display, including GPS road navigation with Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze, music via Apple Music, Spotify, or Pandora, and much more. You can even ask Siri questions like where the nearest gas station is and get directions to get there. And while riding, you can safely use Apple CarPlay via the handlebar controls. Watch our YouTube video for tips and tricks on navigating the interface. To activate CarPlay and enhance your ride, you need to connect two devices: an iPhone via USB cable and a headset like a Sena, Cardo, or the new Vibecom system via Bluetooth. If one or both devices are not connected, the Apple CarPlay applet can be accessed and will appear grayed out. Unfortunately, Android Auto is not supported on the 10.25-inch display yet. Android users can still connect their devices via Bluetooth to listen to music, make calls, or access voice assistant using the control module's dedicated button. You're now ready to ride fully connected no matter where the road takes you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Can-Am on-road how-tos and insider info. You can also find great content in the Owner Zone section of our website. Now get out there and see you on the road.